Today, we're diving into how to view who follows you on Discord using your PC. With the new update, it's super simple, so let's get right into it. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main screen, where you can see all your servers and direct messages. Next, look over to the left side of the screen and find the Direct Messages section. Click on it to open your chats. This is where you communicate with friends and groups. Now, at the top of the Direct Messages page, you'll see the Friends option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your friends list, showing you everyone you're connected with. Once you're in the Friends section, look for the tab labeled All at the top of the page. Clicking on this will display all of your friends and followers in one convenient view. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your followers list on Discord. It's a great way to see who's following you and to manage your connections. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.